Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Paper Luigi. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the nose. Let's draw a large curve out to the left and back in. And then underneath, let's draw the mustache. Let's start with a curve out to the right. Then curve it back in underneath, stopping here. And then draw another curve up to the nose. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with a curve on top of the nose, and then an oval on the right side. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. Next, let's hop on top and let's start drawing the shape of the hat. Let's start on the top left above the nose and let's draw a wavy line across like this. Now for the left side, let's draw a curve up, bring it down, and extend it past. Now on top of the left eye, let's draw a curve up, and then a curve underneath on the left. Next, let's hop over to the right side and let's draw a large curve out and back in for the ear. Now inside the ear, let's draw a C-shaped curve and a line across inside. Next, from the bottom of the ear, let's curve it down, and then hop over to the left and let's draw another angled curve down from the mustache. And then close off the bottom of the head with a curve across. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw his sideburn. Next to the brim of the hat, let's draw a small curve down, and then another one underneath next to the ear. Now let's curve it up and around to close it off. Now top to the top and let's finish drawing the hat. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up, bringing it down, stopping just above the ear. Now top up from the bottom of the line and let's draw one more curve to close off the hat. Now inside the hat, let's draw Luigi's logo. Let's start with a circular curve up and back down. And then inside, let's draw the letter L. And that's it for the hat. Lastly, for the head, let's draw the piece of hair underneath the ear. Underneath the ear, let's draw a curve down, and then two bumps back into the neck. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the neck on the left and let's draw a curve down. And then a longer curve down on the right. Next, let's hop in and let's draw another curve along the left and two curves from the right shoulder. And then a line across in between. Next, let's add the buttons of the overalls. On the left, let's draw an oval, and then a circle on the right. And that's it for the top of the overalls. Now let's move over and let's draw the arm on the right side. Inside on the right, let's draw another curve going down like this. Then at the bottom, let's draw a larger curve around. And then underneath on the left, let's draw a curve down and back in for the thumb. Next, let's draw a curve down next to it. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's draw a curve down. And then curve it over and back up to close off the hand. Lastly, inside, let's draw 2 long teardrop shapes and color them both in black. And that's it for the right arm. Now let's move over to the left side and let's draw a curve down and in for the belly. Now next to the belly on the left here, let's draw a curve. And then one more underneath for the left hand. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's add the shoes underneath. Let's start underneath the body on the right and let's draw a curve up, over, and down. Then underneath on the right, let's draw a curve down. And then from the left, let's bring it out and down for the front of the shoe. And then close it off at the bottom with a curve across. Next, inside the shoe, let's draw another curve from the top right. Now let's add the sole underneath. Let's draw a bump across, and then one more. And that's it for the first foot. Now let's draw the other one behind on the left. Let's start underneath the belly and let's draw a small curve down. Then curve it out and back in. And then one more curve underneath for the sole of the shoe. And that's it for Luigi. Next, I'm going to thicken all the outside lines up with an extra border. And lastly, I'm going to draw another border around everything to give it the paper cutout look. And that's it for Paper Luigi. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!